I welcome you all on board. This is OJ's Health Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making Affang soup. And as you all can see, a lot of ingredients has been displayed before you. And that tells you what it takes to make a sweet and flavorful, delicious Affang soup. This soup requires a lot of protein to give you the desired taste. As you can see, this is the Affang leaf itself pounded. You have to pound it first. Next to it is water leaf, which help to soften Affang leaf. This is goat's meat. Next is Perewinckles, and on the other hand is roasted dried catfish. We have a fresh pepper, both red and yellow, with cow skin. As you see, this now is black pepper crayfish by the side. And we have cow meat, which is known as beef. It has a different flavor. This is the seasoning. We have stockfish and onions for flavor, and salt to taste. And behind here is the spices we'll be using, curry and thyme. So I'll leave you guys to watch as the cooking goes on proper, and as I introduce the proteins and the rest of the ingredients into the pot. Please enjoy your view. Thank you. So guys, this is how I wash my stockfish. I normally use hot or warm water, pour it and leave it for a while. And when you come back, all the hidden insects inside the stockfish will come out. And try to open everything to see if there are hidden ones that has not popped out. You see, there are these little beetles, insects inside. There are some that has hair on it. I tried to check out the name on Google and I saw it. But man, I cannot come and bite my tongue trying to pronounce the name of an insect where I don't know. Shall try to use warm water or hot water to wash it. Try and wash it well. Make you no chop waiting you no know. That is the summary of this washing. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to both my new and my old subscribers. The last two videos I uploaded, how to wash your tilapia fish and how to make a tilapia fish stew. It went like wildfire. I hit my 1000 view in 5 days. That is the first of it. First time I wouldn't have done that without you guys. Thank you so much. If you have not watched that video, please go and check it out. You see, those are the insects I'm talking about. I cannot come and eat this one, oh, I beg. So if you have not subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up, a comment in the comment section. Tell us your opinion, your view, and then see what we'll do with the comments. You see, the stockfish are all cleaned up now. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, a comment in the comment section. So the stockfish is ready to go into the pot now, all cleaned up. I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy your view. Thank you so much, guys. So this is me pounding my fresh pepper and crayfish. You can blend your own in the blender if you want, but sometimes I prefer it in a local African way like this. And the next one you see there is my dried affang leaf. I have some pounded already, but it's not enough because I'm making a large pot of soup, so I have to pound more. Why do we pound affang? It makes it easier to cook, easier to chew, and easier to digest because it's a very strong vegetable, and that's why we use water leaf too, to reduce the strongness and easy to digest. So at this point I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the cooking procedure as I pour my cow skin in the pots. What is so special about this Affang soup that is widely spoken of? Let's take a look. It is a very good source of amino acid, leucine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, which are very efficient for brain functioning, with a lot of vitamins and minerals. What about water leaf? Water leaf has calcium, magnesium, potassium, minerals, vitamins, total lipids, and essential oil, and a lot more. So let's try to incorporate this into our meal once in a while. You would like it. Let me leave you guys to keep watching. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon so that when a new video is uploaded, you will be notified. Also, drop us a comment in the comment section. How do you subscribe? Just click that red button and you are done. Keep watching. Whatever has a beginning surely has an end. So this is the end of the cooking. I couldn't pack it that same day because the cooking was done at night. So this is the next day and I'm trying to pack the soup in the freezer for subsequent use. So this is what we made yesterday night. Isn't it looking beautiful? So this is how your Affang soup look when you're done. If you like, you can add more water to give you a liquid in your soup. But as for me, this is how I like it. And this is how rich Affang soup is supposed to be. It is made out of a nutrient-packed ingredient. As you can see, it's a rich meal and very rich in nutrients. Look at that. Tell me how you think it looks, how you think it tastes in the comment section, and what I should have done right or what else you think I should have added into the soup to make it more beautiful and tastier than as it is. Whatever you think, you can tell us in the comment section. So look at that. You cook, you clean, or else you have a messy kitchen. So this is what we did together last night. We cooked. Look at this. Tell me what you think of this soup in the comment section. This is a 4.5 liter of soup we made yesterday. It's actually much. Look at that. Thank you for your support so far. This is OJ's Health Kitchen. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. Look at that. Don't forget to eat healthy, because in this channel, your health is your wealth. Oh, beautiful. You see that? Look at the side. See you guys in my next video. Bye.